The black hole TON 618 is one of the most massive black holes known, located in the center of a supermassive galaxy in the constellation Leo. This black hole has a mass of about 66 billion solar masses and is an example of a so-called supermassive black hole. If we imagine a journey from Earth to TON 618, then the path will be incredibly long and difficult, given that TON 618 is located at a distance of about 10.37 billion light-years from us. This means that even light traveling at 300,000 kilometers per second will take more than 10 billion years to travel from Earth to this black hole. The beginning of the journey is Earth. Let's imagine that we are starting our journey on Earth. To begin with, you will need to move through the solar system, leaving Earth's orbit. Modern space technologies, such as nuclear-powered rockets, could be used for this, but it would still take years or even decades to leave our planet and solar system. Overcoming the solar system. The solar system has a radius of about 1 parsec, approximately 3.26 light-years. And the closest star to the Sun, Proxima Centauri, is located at a distance of 4.24 light-years from us. Even if we used hypothetical spacecraft capable of traveling at speeds close to the speed of light, it would take us several years to leave the solar system. A journey through the Milky Way. The Milky Way, our galaxy, is about 100,000 light-years in diameter, and the black hole TON 618 is located in another corner of this giant galaxy. Traveling to this object through the Milky Way would take thousands of years, even if we were traveling at incredible speeds. This distance is unlikely to be overcome with current technology, not to mention the fact that we have to take into account the huge distances between the stars, which also affect the path. Distance to TON 618. Now, let's move on to the main stage. The very distance to TON 618, the black hole. TON 618 is located at a distance of more than 10 billion light-years from us. This means that the light we see from this object left it at a time when the universe was very young, only about 900 million years after the Big Bang. By comparison, if we could travel at the speed of light, which is impossible for material objects, at least with our current knowledge, it would take us more than 10 billion years to reach TON 618. Travel issues. Let's say that we decide to build a spaceship that can move at a tremendous speed, for example, at 10% of the speed of light. In this case, it would still take us about 100 billion years to reach the black hole TON 618, which is many times the age of our planet. In addition, traveling to a black hole would require overcoming many space objects, such as stars, planetary systems, possible asteroid belts and clouds of gas, as well as the extreme radiation conditions that exist near supermassive black holes.